last time you saw me, I wasn't as cool. And I'm hanging out in Mexico, down by the pool in Cabo, Cabo San Lucas. If I send you a ticket, would you fly in? Sure like to see you, we could hook up again in Cabo, Cabo San Lucas. And I know it sounds crazy, but I bought a guitar and I'm singing my songs downtown in a bar. You can come with a friend, you can come by yourself, you can sleep here with me, I ain't got nobody else in Cabo, Cabo San Lucas. Well, the Baja gets hot this time of year, and except for the fishermen, they all disappear in Cabo, Cabo San Lucas.